Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to fold Ram 1500 rear seats. First, locate the fabric loop or small lever at the front base of your rear seat cushion. Give it a firm pull to release the seat bottom. Then, simply lift the entire seat cushion upward. It will click and lock securely into a vertical position, creating a large, open floor space for your cargo. Once the seat bottoms are upright, you gain a significant amount of flat cargo space. This area is perfect for larger items you want to keep inside your truck. Don't forget to check for the handy underseat storage bins, ideal for stowing away smaller gear or valuables. Certain Ram 1500 models also offer a clever fold-out flat-load floor extension for even more versatility. For even more cargo flexibility, some Ram 1500 models allow you to fold down the rear seat backs. Look for a small release latch, typically located near the top outer corner of the seat back. Pull this latch to unlock it. Then, gently push the seat back forward until it rests flat, providing an extended, level surface for longer items or additional storage capacity. When you're ready to have passengers again, restoring your Ram 1500 rear seats is simple. For the seat bottoms, just pull the same release loop or lever you used before, then gently guide the cushion down until it clicks firmly into its original, secure position. If you folded the seat backs, simply lift them back up until they audibly lock into place, ready for use.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.